In this video, we're going to checking out 5 best drain augers you can buy right now. We made this list based on tools performance, features, price, manufacturer's reputation, and most importantly, reviews of actual user. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best drain augers in the market. So, let's go for top 5. Our number 1 choice is Vevor electric drain auger. If you're dealing with clogged drains that require a bit more muscle than a traditional plunger or liquid cleaner can handle, the Vevor 50-foot by 1/2 inch drain cleaner machine is an excellent choice. It offers professional grade performance at a reasonable price and is capable of clearing even the most stubborn blockages with ease. I'm thoroughly impressed and highly recommend this drain cleaner for anyone in need of an efficient and powerful solution. This machine is equipped with a 1/2 inch auger cable, which is thick and sturdy, making it perfect for tackling blockages in pipes ranging from 2 inches to 4 inches in diameter. I used it to clear out a stubborn clog in a bathroom drain, and I was blown away by how quickly and effectively it worked. The 4 cutter heads included in the package made the job a breeze, grinding through debris and gunk with minimal effort. It cleared the blockage in less than 10 minutes, which was a huge relief. First off, the build quality of the Vevor drain cleaner is impressive. The machine is solid and feels well constructed, with durable materials that assure me it can withstand frequent use. The foot switch is a brilliant addition. It allows for hands-free operation, which is incredibly useful when working in tight spaces or with both hands occupied. The 50-foot cable is long enough to reach most residential pipes, and it coils neatly for easy storage when not in use. Our second best drain augers is Populo 120-volt auto-feed drain auger. This auger works like a charm, with 120-volt power that makes unclogging drains a breeze. I used it to clear a tough blockage in my kitchen sink, and the difference was night and day. The auto-feed feature is a game changer, as it automatically feeds the cable into the pipe without me having to constantly feed it manually, reducing strain on my hands. The machine also has an automatic reverse function, which is helpful for pulling the cable back out without tangling. The auger is suitable for 3/4 inch to 2 inch pipes, which makes it perfect for most residential drains, including sinks, showers, and floor drains. The motor is powerful enough to break up stubborn clogs caused by hair, grease, soap scum, and food debris. Within minutes, my kitchen sink was running smoothly again, and I didn't have to call a plumber. From the moment I took the Populo 120-volt auto-feed drain auger out of the box, I was impressed with its quality. The 23-foot cable is long enough to reach most clogged areas in my home, and the auto-feed mechanism makes it incredibly easy to maneuver through pipes. It's built to last, with a solid, durable design that assures me it will stand up to regular use. The inclusion of a cloth bag for storage and gloves to protect your hands is a thoughtful touch, making it even more convenient to use. Third pick in our list is Greenworks 24-volt cordless drain auger. I initially used the Greenworks drain auger to clear a stubborn kitchen sink clog that regular plunger efforts couldn't tackle. The auger's powerful motor effortlessly sent the 25-foot cable deep into the drain to dislodge the debris. The rotating drum and flexible cable made it easy to navigate through tight turns and clear the clog quickly. I was impressed by how much power this compact tool had, effectively breaking through blockages like hair, soap scum, and food particles without causing any damage to the pipes. The auger also comes with a variable speed trigger, which gives you full control over the cable's movement and speed. This feature is especially handy for managing more delicate tasks, such as unclogging shower drains or toilets, where you might need to be extra careful. The Greenworks 24-volt cordless plumbing drain auger is powered by a 24-volt lithium-ion battery, which provides enough power to tackle even the toughest clogs in household drains. It comes with a 2.0 amp-hour battery and a charger, which means you can start using it immediately after charging. I really appreciate the freedom that comes with being cordless. Unlike traditional drain snakes that need to be plugged into a wall outlet, This model allows me to move around freely without worrying about power cords getting in the way or being limited by the length of the cord. Number 4 in our side is Drainsoon Drain Auger. If you're tired of using chemicals or calling a plumber for routine drain clogs, this auger is a highly effective and affordable solution. This drain auger is versatile enough to be used on various types of drains, including bathtub, bathroom sinks, and kitchen drains. Whether you're clearing a sink blocked with soap scum or a tub filled with hair, this auger can handle the job. The cable is strong and durable, ensuring that it will last through multiple uses without wearing out or losing its effectiveness. The auger's 25-foot length gives you plenty of reach for typical household plumbing, but it might not be long enough for very deep or complex plumbing systems, in which case you would need a longer auger. One of the standout features of the Drainsoon 25-foot drain auger is its ability to tackle even the most stubborn clogs. Whether it's hair buildup in a bathroom sink, grease accumulation in a kitchen drain, or debris in a bathtub drain, this tool delivers impressive results. The 25-foot flexible cable is long enough to reach deep into pipes and efficiently dislodge debris without causing any damage. I was particularly impressed with how well it handled hair clogs in my bathtub drain, which are notorious for being difficult to clear. Last in our best drain augers list is ASWKJ Plumbing Drain Auger. If you're tired of relying on expensive plumbers or harsh chemicals to clear blockages, the ASWKJ 50-foot drain snake could be the perfect solution for you. One of the standout features of this drain snake is its flexibility. You can either use it manually or power it with a drill, depending on the type of clog and the amount of effort you want to put in. For smaller, simpler clogs, manually turning the snake works just fine, and it provides a more hands-on, controlled experience. However, for tougher, more stubborn clogs, using a drill to power the snake makes the process much faster and more efficient. The ability to choose between manual and powered use is a great advantage and adds to the overall convenience of the product. The 50-foot cable is made from durable, high-quality materials that can withstand repeated use without fraying or snapping. The auger's design is robust enough to tackle tough clogs, yet gentle enough to avoid damaging your pipes. Whether you're dealing with a small blockage or a more serious plumbing issue, the ASWKJ drain snake performs reliably every time. Overall, the ASWKJ 50-foot drain snake is an excellent choice for anyone looking for an affordable, efficient, and versatile tool to clear household clogs. Its long cable, flexible usage options, and durable construction make it a valuable addition to any toolbox.